Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for today, we are going to unboxing this Mini 4-Wheel Drive tools from the 324 brand. So here we have the nut drivers for the 324 and also the brake checker and also the setting board. And then we're gonna open it and see what's special for all these tools. Alright, check it out. Okay, so let's start from the nut drivers. So one side is for the regular nuts and the other side is for basically for the lug nuts. So it's just a normal nut drivers. Okay, so that's it for this nut drivers. And next, this is the brake level checkers. So the brake checkers, you can see which levels, how high is your brake. There's a bunch numbers like 1.0 to 4.5 millimeters, and there's top is 5.0 millimeters to 9.0 millimeters. Okay, so how to using this is, if you are checking higher than 5 millimeters, then you just stay the base close, and if you want to check the 1 millimeter, you just open it, okay, and find a flat surface and just check how high is your brake. So let's say here, okay, so it's 2.0. okay, you can see 2.0. okay, so and the other thing is, for this one there's number 10 over here, and that's basically you can measure your tire, the size. Okay, and the other option for this one is, you can see on the side there is a angle for on the side here. That means you can check the angle for your body damper when it's open and see which angle that is. Is that too much or too low? Or then you'll be able to check the angle for your body dampers. Okay, and next we're gonna go for the setting board. So the setting board is basically very similar to Tamiya setting board, and for me, like, you can check the size, the angles, and for the angle for the rollers and the size for the tires. And the other thing is, on, let's flip this over, at the back there's more storage space. So it's basically same idea as the Tamiya mat, but the only thing different is, if you have a Tamiya mat, you can basically place this one on the Tamiya mat and it's perfectly fit. So if you need more space to storage stuff, then you can use this side, and if you want to adjust your cars, set your car, then you can use in this side. Okay, and of course, if people are watching my video, my channel before, and should know I have another setting board, so that we're gonna check that with my setting board. So here, so that's my setting board. Okay, as you can see, ta-da, this is my setting board. So I can place the Tamiya mat here, and I can put the car over here and set the car. And if I need more space, so just flip over. Okay, and there's more room for me to set up my car. Alright, okay, so this is today's video, and if you have any question, please leave your comment and question at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.